Hey everyone, let's write a script to replace spaces with dashes of the string in JavaScript. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's make a variable original text. Okay, so original text is simple. Let's write this is my text. Okay, and then we will make another variable late dashed text. Okay, so here you need to write original text dot, then just write the replace function. Okay, and inside of this slash and slash, so there should be the thing that should be replaced. So we are replacing the spaces, so that's why we are writing space here. Okay, and then G, and we are replacing it with dash, so it should be here. Okay, so that's it. Let's go ahead and let's see the result. Okay, now we are going to print out in this p tag. So document dot get element by id, pass the id of p tag, that is result dot inner html equals to dash. Now save it and see the result. This is my text with the dash here in between. Okay, and there is no space. Thank you.